Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising, from 16 till the 22nd of December. For those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. Please keep in mind the roles can be reversed also, and the action can be from your side also. And if it is not resonating, it's not your story. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book for the same, book your slots for the same. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can definitely connect with me via mail. Okay. AnjaliTarot@gmail.com. TarotAnjali@gmail.com. Let's see. Let's see, honey, what we have. For Libra, for those who are in no contact, no communication, their current feelings for you, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are Ten of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. Okay, it's like they're feeling very very stressful. It's like, see, they're still very much attracted to the idea of being with you, to the idea of reconnecting with you, having a brand new beginning with you. They're still very much connected to this thought, but at the same time they feel like this is kind of a very stressful energy to deal with. And they have a lot of stressful energies around them where they feel even if they're going to say something or do something in this direction, it's not going to work out. Eventually it's going to fail only. So what is the use of even thinking about that, even going in that direction, if it is bound to fail? Okay, so according to this person's energies, this is what they feel about the situation. Even though they are very much attracted to the idea of being with you, to have a brand new beginning with you, they are still in this energy of nope, it's not going to work out. So they should not even try or bother to connect with you or reconnect with you again. Hmm. Although they feel very much attracted to the idea of having this. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Wheel of Fortune, the Five of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. What they want? They want to clear the air with you regarding the conflict, the chaos, or the drama, whatever happened between you guys. This person wants to wait for the time when they will be able to connect with you and clear the air with you, big, big, big time. No matter even if it is going to hurt you or hurt them, they definitely want to clear the air with you. It's like whatever happened between you guys, they never wanted it to happen at the first place, but whatever happened was like kind of a collective energy. So they definitely want to clear the air in the manner. They want to understand what went wrong in the situation, what they did wrong in the situation, what you did wrong in the situation, and how you guys can sort it out. And being with peace, being in peace with each other, kind of energy. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have. 22nd of December, right? We have the Six of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, the Hermit. Again, this person is super confused, like what they should do in this direction to like sort it out with you, but at the same time they're not able to understand whether it's a good idea to be with you or not, whether it's a good idea to even initiate the conversation with you or not. So that is why this person is keeping their mouth shut and energies low key, because they think even if they're going to do anything about the situation, it's anyway not going to work out. So what is the use of even going in that direction? So that is why I do see this person kind of not doing anything about it, because they're not sure what they should do and how it is going to pan out. So they are in this energy of, okay, let me just think about it, and let me just keep on thinking about it. Maybe some other day I will see, or some other timeline I will see what I can do about it. So I don't see any kind of action from this person's side, although a very severe energy code attached to you. See, like a lot of attraction towards you, a lot of pull towards you, but at the same time not sure about what they should do. So that is why they're not taking any kind of action. For you, the guidance here is the Two of Wands. Do not keep on waiting for this person to like come back to your life and make you happy, or sort it out with you, or do something about it. Find your own closure and move ahead. You do have options, Libra. Now, options always doesn't mean romantic options, mean or romantic options. Sometimes option mean that you can focus on your self-worth, self-love, self-care, and or some other thing in your life, and or your career. Okay, sometimes option mean that as well, because a lot of people get very much attached to the idea of options only mean romantic option. It's not like that, honey. Yeah. So this is what I have for you for Libra. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.